how to make money when it's dry in your area. Not only how, is it even possible? And the answer, yes. You can make money when it's dry in your area. This order right here, I think was around like $18 and it was 2 of them. So let's get this money. How do you do it? Go with your instincts. You know where it's hot at, so go there. You know what I mean? Go wherever it be hot at in your area while it's not hot. That's number one. Sometimes you might have to go where you don't want to go at. For example, you know how we do $1 a mile, right? So you might be going 10 miles and it only be $8 or $8.50. If it's slow right now, take that. By the time you gonna take that order and then come back, you know what I'm saying? It might get a little hot, so you don't have to keep taking the order. Oh yeah, another side tip. Try not to give people bags like this. This bag is leaking, so I'm asking them for another bag, and I'm like, yeah, this shit is leaking, man. Like, turn the fuck on. Me, why haven't you moved? I'm about to say, police. Watch this. Now I can't move because I gotta text you. Police. Fuck. Why haven't I moved? What the hell wrong with these people? You're going to jail. So I just now dropped off that lady few. And is it me or is it always a motherfucker who don't pay no money, leave no tip, or the motherfuckers who fall out, you know what I'm saying, or like had the shit to say, leave at my door, is always asking questions, wanna do nothing with you, talking about what's taking me so long. Bitch, the police, you gonna get your food, why your fat ass ain't get up and go get the food your damn self? I hate when Uber do this shit. The first order that I dropped off on the whole opposite side, the restaurant was at, right? Because it was a double order for $18. This order that I'm dropping off next is closer to the food location. So I'm trying to figure out, Uber, why would you send me out my way just to go close back to the restaurant when I could have dropped the person that was close to the restaurant food off first? But I'm guessing because they want to put me in a zone they know it's going to be hot. Now that's how you make money when it ain't hot. This lady right here just went off. Like some strange fucking reason, it just like, aww. Did you cancel your order or did you? Like, so I don't know if Uber want me to not make no money or not. Let me see what I'm currently on. Usually make a stack a week. My currently earnings for this week is, can y'all see that? Whoo, $843.92. It's Sunday, so I can make at least $200 more and put it at $1,000. But I'm gonna edit this video today, so I'm gonna leave my weekly earnings at $900 this week, right? But I had that Starbucks order, and for some reason it just went off on my screen, and I got a couple of other orders, but I haven't been getting nothing yet, and I'm still online. And I also try to use both of my phones. I got two phones, one for the Dash and one for the Uber. I got two, but yeah, I try to use both of my phones, and I did the same thing on here, and it's just basically, can y'all see, doing the same thing. It's not picking up her order. I'm online on this one, so let me go off. It's not picking up her order. It's done. So hopefully I get a fucking order. If not, we gonna switch off the DoorDash. But let's keep it rocking. Alright, so I end up getting one for Royal Farms. Let's take that. I guess it's working now. I'm supposed to be going to a Royal Farms, and I'm like, where the fuck is this Royal Farms at around here? Because I don't remember being a Royal Farms, not unless they just built that shit upon my eyes and I didn't see it. I be goddamn it, I never seen these Royal Farms in my life. That's another thing working for fucking, you know what I mean, these food delivery apps. You be finding restaurants that be like jewels and shit, you know what I mean? But hey, I'm good, I ain't canceled. I was about to cancel it, but let's get it. Man, the best part of this job is what? Being able to make your own schedule, being your own boss, being able to make it to your daughter's ballet dances, your son's football and soccer game, being able to just do what you want, right? No. That's one of the best things. But the other best things is free food. Nobody ever talk about the free food. What's wrong with y'all? When somebody cancel the order, I get free food. Man, this free food. I can't even tell y'all how many times I done got fucking red lobster. I done got snow crab legs. I done got chicken wicking. I done got lobster. Man, I done got so much free food from somebody either canceling no order or, you know what I mean? The other day I had some free food because they tried to send me like 500 million trillion miles away from my delivery spot. I was like, yo, I'm on East Baltimore. Y'all trying to take me over west. Look, what is this? What is this? That motherfucker got canceled. I got some parfait, type of yogi. I feeling real yogi. I got I'm gonna just let y'all peep in the bed. A little joint right here. I didn't eat this shit, but I gonna eat it again. And I got me a coffee in here. Got it. Secure the bag. Number 3, have patience. Patience is the number one key to this game in this industry. Yeah. You have to have patience. Without patience, you ain't got nothing. Don't stress yourself, and that's what life, period. Do not stress yourself. If you don't got an order, don't be like, I'm going in the house, I ain't on this shit, fuck this. Just have a little patience, and you'll get one. You know what I mean? I had a little confusion earlier. Took me a minute to get the Starbucks one, then they canceled it, then my app was messing up, but I had patience. Now I'm back on track, so have patience. And right about now, it's getting hot everywhere because, what time is it? It's 12:31, so patience. Now, let's continue on. Let's get this moolah. Let's get this mooga. Let's get this money. About to start raining too. Another tip, always keep a raincoat in your car. Man, I'm giving tips all day, man. I'm giving tips all day. I just hope they give me a tip. You Everyone has their own reasons to be their own boss, to have the freedom to do what they want to do it when they want to do it, right? What do you want to do with your freedom? This is what I do.
Fresh bangers on the beat.
When I step up the house, you know I keep it fresh. Mommy got that clear water, man, she keep it fresh. All my money straight from the bank, I keep it fresh. All our guns got bodies, wish we can keep them fresh. When I step up the house, you know I keep it fresh. Mommy got that clear water, man, she keep it fresh. All my money straight from the bank, we keep it fresh. All our guns got bodies, wish we can get them fresh. I'm fresher than the peppermint, they call me a breath taker. All these diamonds round my neck look like an ice maker. I'm cold, my gun hot, please don't meet your maker. You turn like liquid, man, then I had to terminate you. I got it